everyone. Given the factor of 3x minus 2, we're going to find the value of a for the polynomial 2a times x squared minus 5x plus 2. I'm going to use two different methods. The first method I'm going to use is a little bit more of a mental math thing. So basically, let's let 2ax squared minus 5x plus 2 equal our factor 3x minus 2, and then we're going to have to do some mental math on this. So basically, if we need a 2 here, we have a 3 here, so I'm just going to put bx. And since we have a positive 2 here and a negative 2 here, this is going to be minus 1. So you see what I did? I set it up where now let's factor this, let's expand this out. This is going to give you 3bx squared, and then we're going to have minus 3x minus 2bx, and then plus 2. So you can see here our 2's match. And we have to deal with this in a minute. And then I'm going to go ahead and group my x's together here. So we're going to have 3bx squared, and then I'm going to put plus, and we're going to write negative 2b minus 3, and put the x here on the outside, and then plus 2. And this is going to equal 2ax squared minus 5x plus 2. All right, so now that we have that, we're going to equate coefficients. So basically, our constants already match. So what we're going to do is equate our x squares. So that means our 2a equals 3b. So we're just looking at those two. Now let's also do our x. So here's our x part here. So that means we have negative 2b minus 3 equals negative 5. Now I'm going to solve for b and then use substitution. Negative 2b equals, if you add 3, negative 2, so b equals 1. If b is 1, then we substitute that in. We get 2a equals 3 times 1 is 3, so a equals 3 halves. And that is what we need, so there it is. This one's nice way to do it, but you have to kind of do that mental math on this factor there. The other way is to use the remainder theorem, and that means you take your 3x minus 2 and set that to 0, solve for x. So you can get x, you add the 2, then divide by 3. And then we set this to 0 and substitute in our x. Since it's a factor, then this is going to equal 0. So you have 2a times 2 thirds squared minus 5 times 2 thirds plus 2 equals 0. So this gives you 2a times 4 ninths, all right, minus 10 thirds plus 2 equals 0. All right, so this is going to be 8 divided by 9a equals, and I'm going to take 10 divided by 3 and minus 2. So let's see what this is. This is going to be 8 divided by 9 equals 10 thirds minus, and this is going to be 3 6/3. Put the a in there. So we're going to get 8 divided by 9a equals 4 thirds. Now we're going to multiply both sides through by 9/8. So that gives you your a here. And when you multiply these, you're going to get 3 goes into 9 3 times. So this is going to be a. Sorry about that. A equals, so you can get 3, and then 4 goes into 8 2 times. So that's the other way to do it. And that's called the remainder theorem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.